Man number 6, Tyler Tubert Clinton, Sean Luke, DC Everett, at 6. Mat 3, Adam Zichitella, Ozaukee, Tony Howard, Badger, mat number 3. Man number 1, Dominic Savarese, Verona, Bryce Fitzsimmons, Middle Point, mat number 1. Mat 3, Quinn Nanamacher, Warren, Hayden Sharmer, Beloit, at 3. And mat number 8, Alex Fusco, Watertown North, Levi Aslani, Watertown, mat number 8. Marcus Shannon from Middle Point, please come up to the head table and get your award. Marcus Shannon from Middle Point. Heavyweights can start warming up. You're going to be wrestling in about 10 minutes. 285 wrestlers can start warming up. All right, here are the results of the 113 pound bracket. In the C pool, champion is Luke Monson. Luke Monson, please come to the head table. In the B pool, second place, Edwin Chavez, Beloit.
See, I don't know either.
In champion of the B pool is Alexis Diaz from Watertown. In the A pool, fourth place is Brent Cornelius. Third place, Charlie Noodleman. In seventh place, Manny Dent. And our champion in the 113 pound class, Alex Martinez from Bedford. All right, mat 6, Kevin Beckman, Ozaukee. Henry Parker, Warren, mat 6. Mat 7, Andrew Demos from Warren. Jackson Ryan from Verona. Mat 5, Bobby Earlybird, Clinton. Cody Rappel, Appleton North.